Hi, I'm Chris Hennis, STEAM Specialist for Pioneer Library System. I'm also one of the library's photographers. My work is regularly featured in our social media and annual reports, and I'm here to help you improve your own outdoor photography this summer in a series of 8 challenges. These challenges are designed for all skill levels of photographer, from beginners to pros. You can use any equipment you want, whether it's a cell phone or a DSLR or even film. And there's a prize. Well, sort of. If you end up with a photo you're happy with from the challenge, you can email it to me here at the library, and I'll pick my favorites and put them on display here at the Norman Central branch. You can also log the hours you spend on this challenge on Beanstack to participate in the library's Summer Learning Challenge and enter to win some other great prizes. So, without further ado, this week's challenge. It's an easy one. This week we're focusing on intentionality. I challenge you to schedule a specific time to go outside and take photos. Don't multitask. I want you to focus on your photography so you can really get into a photo-taking mindset and see the world through that lens. Anytime, any subject, as long as it's outdoors. The key is to get yourself focused on what you're seeing on your screen or through your viewfinder and to be intentional about taking photos. If you want to join me for this challenge, talk about photography, and maybe even get a sneak preview of next week's challenge, I'll be taking photos outside the Norman Central Library at 11:30 a.m. on Thursday, June 3rd, 2021. We'll meet in the plaza by the large sculpture. If you end up with a photo you're happy with and want to enter it in the contest to be displayed at Norman Central, you can email a small version of it to me along with your library card number at photochallenge@pioneerlibrarysystem.org. If it's selected, I'll contact you for a full resolution copy. Good luck!